This is the PLC. This is the TSX P572634 CPU. So with this, you see this is the CPU number TSX P572634 CPU, and this is the Ethernet card. So this Ethernet, using this Ethernet module, we are going to connect this display. We are going to connect this display. This is Schneider Electric Magelish. You see here, this is the Ethernet port. This is the port. This port, using some LAN switch, this port will be connected with some LAN switch, and that LAN switch will be connected here, and the display, all the display will be coming here. So this is the basically hardware configuration, but now I am going to show in simulation mode in the PC. So now I am opening the UnityPro. Now I am going to the new file. And my CPU is, as I told, it is M2634, sorry, 2634M. So I am selecting that CPU. So we will be using TCP IP. So in the communication I am selecting the TCP IP, which is Ethernet, and now I am going to that configuration. In that configuration I am giving that IP address 172.0.0.1, and this is 255.255. Remember, this is the IP address of the simulator. Through now PLC is not there physically, so through this simulator only I will connect the Magelish. Okay. Now I am going to that. This is, you see, this is the Ethernet port. Already you have seen in the hardware. This is a single channel. I am selecting the TCP IP, and now this is the Ethernet. Okay. That's over. Now I am arbitrarily I am creating some variable. Say this is bit, 1 bit. This is 1 bit, bit 1. So this is a extended boolean variable. Then I am selecting one normal integer, sorry, integer. Okay, so the type is integer type. It is integer. You know, the addressing for the boolean variable, the addressing will, we can give percentage m 100, and for integer it's going as word, so mw 100 you can give. Okay, now it's over. So let us build it. So what is it? Ethernet process support activities not ready. Okay, let us connect it. Okay, now we have to let us disconnect. Okay, so now there is no error, only one warning is there, security, and that is not a problem. So now I am connecting the PLC, and I am transferring the data to the PLC. Okay, now I am going to the elementary variable. We'll check it through animation. I am modifying. Okay, I'm forcing it 1 0. Okay, I'm changing. Okay, so disconnected, and I'm saving that project as my computer in desktop. Here I am connecting as Vijeo. This, this is slow computer. Okay. So it is over. Let us close this, because if I run these things together and during the uh, variable transfer, that is a privilege problem will be there. Okay, so this is my Vijeo designer. So I'm opening a new project. Name is project, and the series, my display series which are going to use, that is HMI GTO series. Sorry, GTO series, and that part number is 6310. It's a bigger one actually, not that one. We will be using some bigger display. Okay, so this is the panel. We are going to IO manager, and this is as Modbus TCP IP. So this is the thing we are selecting that, and as I told, here we have to use that simulator address 127.0.0.1. That is my simulator address. For PLC, whatever address, that same address to be given here. And here syntax, we can use that IC 61131. It's the universally accepted. Okay, and now I am going to the variable, and we are importing the variable. So that variable extension, file extension was STU, it was Vijay. So I am opening it. It will take some time because the computer is slow computer. Okay, you see that bit1 and int1 it has come, so I am selecting the both and keeping that variable as same name. I am adding it. Okay, now I am going to the panel. This is my panel. So here we want to read it. So this is the bulb. Just I am creating just like that. You can change the symbol, so many things, but I am very simply doing it. So the variable you give, the this is the bit. This is the one, and when it is off, this will be green color. When it is on, it is red color. I am keeping it as it is, and we want to see some display. So you this display, this is the variable. You select that variable because it's an integer. We did simply. It's very simple. Now I'm saving it. Then I'm going to the this will be doing it simulation mode. So let it be like this. Now I am opening that. So I am opening now, and this is that code, PLC code. Okay, so this is my data editor, and I am selecting this. I am going for a new animation table. I am connecting it. Okay, now I am bringing that device, and here you see I am forcing. I will force the modification, and I will force this bit. You see, the on means red, off, on, off, on, off. I am changing this value. You see, it is changing. So likewise, now this is the way to connect it. And if in case of simulator there will be physically PLC is there, then the status of any bit means any variable you can display through that, and the same display it can come to that Majlis hardware also. So this is the simple procedure how to communicate the Majlis with Schneider PLC. So hope this will be useful. Thank you so much.